Ever eat a big bowl of pasta or rice and then feel tired, bloated, or hungry again an hour later? That's your blood sugar shooting up and crashing down like a roller coaster. But here's the good news. Scientists have found easy food hacks that can smooth those spikes without giving up carbs. A new study from the University of Sharjah tested this clever idea. People ate the exact same meal, rice, chicken, and veggies, but in different orders. When they ate vegetables and protein first, and carbs last, their blood sugar rose about 40% less, and insulin levels dropped too. Plus, they felt fuller longer. So next time you eat, remember, veggies first, carbs last. Another big review looked at people with metabolic syndrome, a condition linked to diabetes and heart disease. When they added whey protein, the protein in milk and yogurt, their blood sugar and cholesterol improved, and their bodies handled insulin better. In short, protein isn't just for muscles, it's great for metabolism too. And here's the coolest part. A huge global analysis found that for people without diabetes, adding protein to a carb-based meal can cut the blood sugar rise by nearly half. That's right, pairing carbs with protein, like eggs with toast or milk with cereal, keeps blood sugar steady and energy smooth. So if you want more energy and fewer sugar crashes, 1. Eat veggies and protein before your carbs. 2. Pair your carbs with protein. And 3. Keep enjoying your food, just smarter. Your body and your blood sugar will thank you.